Welcome to this deep dive into functions in MQL4 programming. Functions are one of the most powerful tools in coding, allowing you to group a series of commands into reusable and modular blocks. They simplify complex tasks, enhance code readability, and reduce errors by eliminating repetitive code. Today, we'll cover everything from defining simple functions to advanced concepts like recursion and parameter passing. Function syntax. Every function in MQL4 follows a standard structure. This layout defines a reusable block of logic. The return underscore type specifies what type of value the function will give back, like an integer or a floating point number. The function name is how you'll call this function later, and parameters allow you to input data. The function body contains the logic, and the return keyword outputs the result. Simple function example. In MQL4, functions can be declared anywhere in the program at the global scope. This means they exist outside other functions, making them accessible throughout your script. To use a function, you simply call it by writing its name followed by parentheses, optionally passing the required arguments. This example defines a function named addNumbers, which accepts two integers as inputs. It adds them and returns the sum. By calling it with 5 and 3, the result is 8. Simple, efficient, and reusable. Functions with no return value, void. Not all functions need to return a value. A void function performs actions without outputting anything. Here, print message simply logs hello MQL4 to the console when called. Functions with multiple parameters. Functions can take multiple inputs or parameters to handle more complex operations. This example calculates the product of 2.5 and 4, returning 10. You can pass any values as arguments, making it versatile. Recursive functions. Recursion occurs when a function calls itself. This factorial function calculates the product of all numbers from the input down to 1. For example, factorial of 4 is calculated by multiplying 4 by 3, then by 2, and finally by 1, resulting in 24. Recursive functions are great for tasks that involve repetitive calculations. Passing parameters by value. By default, parameters in MQL4 are passed by value, meaning the function works on a copy of the variable. Changes made inside the function don't affect the original variable. Here, the value of num remains unchanged at 5. Passing parameters by reference. Passing by reference allows a function to modify the original variable directly. In this example, the value of num is updated from 5 to 15 because the function works with the actual memory location of the variable. In MQL4, arrays, structures, and class objects are always passed by reference, even if not explicitly stated. Built-in functions. MQL4 provides a rich set of built-in functions to simplify coding. Here are some common ones. OrdersEnd places a market order. Print outputs messages to the console. Normalize double rounds numbers to a specified decimal place. Built-in functions handle common tasks, like rounding numbers or executing trades, reducing the amount of custom code you need to write. Event handling functions. In MQL4, event handling functions automatically trigger actions based on specific platform events. These are crucial for building dynamic trading strategies. Examples. onInit executes when your script or expert advisor starts. onTick runs every time the market updates. onDynit cleans up when the script stops. By using these functions, you can respond to events like new ticks, initialization, or deinitialization. For example, onTick handles real-time trading logic. Function overloading. MQL4 supports function overloading, meaning you can define multiple functions with the same name but different parameter lists. This allows you to handle different types or numbers of inputs efficiently. Here, the add function is overloaded to work with both integers and doubles. Conclusion. Functions are the backbone of clean and efficient MQL4 code. Whether you're writing simple reusable tasks, managing parameters, or responding to market events, mastering functions will make your scripts more powerful and easier to maintain. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to subscribe for more MQL4 programming lessons.